Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and preparing well for the examinations also. So today in this video, we are going to discuss 5 questions of phrase replacement. As I saw some comments that we need videos on phrase replacement. So I thought of making these videos, and these questions are taken from Guidely PDF course, and the level of the questions in this PDF course are very good. So prelims plus mains questions are provided on daily basis in the PDF format in this course. If you want to purchase this course, the link will be given in description, and if you purchase the combo, then their GA quiz will be available free with that. So you will find the link in the description, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount also. So you can definitely go and check it out. Now we will start with the questions. So in this question, I have selected 5 questions for phrasal replacement, like starting from here. We will try to solve the first question. Okay. So in first question, what it is saying is we have to replace this phrase. First, we have to find out whether it is right or not, and then we have to replace it. Okay. So, despite of a solemn assurance to compensate the states for any shortfall in their revenue on account of the transition to the new GST regime, the center has now taken the stand that the states are welcome to borrow whether from a special RBI window or from the market to make good the revenue shortfall. Now, what we will do is we will check the options and we will try to eliminate the wrong option. So in first option, first of all, we will try to find the error in this. So here we can see that of is used after despite, and it is wrong because after despite we don't use of. This should be despite a solemn assurance, because after despite we don't use any helping verb. Okay, so of is wrong here, and it means that we have to select our answer from the options. Now see the first option. Despite a solemn assurance to compensate the states for any shortfall. So here, let me change the color. Here we can see that it can fit here, because despite a solemn assurance to compensate the states for any shortfall in their revenue. So we can tick this option. Now we will move to next. Despite a solemn assurance to compensate the state for any shortfalls. So here shortfalls is given and any is written. So after any, a singular thing is used. So here shortfalls is wrong and it will be a wrong answer. Now we will move to next. Despite a solemn assurance to compensated. So here we can see that compensated is used after to, but we always used first form of verb after to. So here C option is also wrong and D option is also wrong because B is wrong. So our correct answer is option number A. So this is the way. First try to find out the error given in the statement. If it contains an error, then try to eliminate the options according to the errors given in them, and you will reach your answer at the last. Now we will move to next question. When the center decided to dip into the green cess on coal to compensate the states for GST shortfall. So here I can't see any error in this sentence. Like when the center decided, जब center ने decide किया to dip into, so first form is used with to. It is also right. Into the green cess on coal to compensate. Here also it is right. It accepted. So here we can see that it is also in past and it is also in past. So the verbs are also in the right format. Now we will try to move the question to the questions. When the center decide, so here it is wrong because in the second sentence second form is given, so second form should also be here. When the center decided to dip into the green cess on coal to compensate, here compensating is wrong. Next is when the center decided to dip on the, so we can't dip on anything, we can dip into anything. So C is also wrong, and our right answer will be E, which is no improvement. Okay, now we will move to next question. So the next question is, a bank merger helps your institution to scale up quickly and gain a large number of new customers instantly. So in this eighth question, a bank merger helps your institution to scale up. So here 2 is wrong. Okay, because 2 should not be used after help. We don't use 2 after help. So here 2 is wrong because helps is given and we never use 2 with help. Now we will move to our options. Scale up quickly, like a bank merger helps your institution scale up quickly. We can mark this answer. It seems the right answer. To scaling up. So here first form should be used and 2 is also there. So we can eliminate all the options containing 2 because 2 is not used with help. So A will be our right answer in this question. Now we will move to next question. While not a factor on the balance sheet, every bank benefits from a merger or acquisition. So here, while not a factor on the balance sheet, every is given. So according to every, verbs first form plus s and es is also used. So it is right because with every we use singular verbs with s and es. Okay. Now here benefit is given. It is wrong. After every, plural is used like banks. It is also wrong because we use singular form after every. Then every banking benefit, it is also no wrong because banking is a process, not any institution. Every bank benefiting from a merger or acquisition, this is also wrong because every bank is used, so we need a first form. So here E will be our right answer, which is no improvement. Now we will move to our 8th question, our 10th question. Failure to assess his cultural fit is one reason why many bank mergers ultimately fails. So here many banks is given. Many bank. First of all, it is wrong. Many bank mergers ultimately fails. So here fails is used for many bank mergers and mergers is plural. So fails will be wrong. We need fail here. Now we will move to the next option. Why many bank mergers ultimately failed? Here failed is given and it is also wrong because ultimately is given, so failed would be wrong here because we need verbs first form, which is the basic form. Why, why many bank mergers ultimately fail? So it can be our right answer because fail is given, mergers is given, and according to mergers, first form is also used. Now we will move to, like, according to mergers, this plural form is used. Okay. Now we will move to next, why bank mergers ultimately failing. This is also wrong because we need the first form. Why much bank mergers? This is also wrong because many will be there. So here B will be our right answer. And you can see that by applying the grammar rules, you can easily solve these phrasal replacement questions. So your subject verb agreement basics should be strong for solving these type of questions. Okay, I will try to make more videos on these topics on English, like the videos will be mixed like RC, sometime there will be close test, but all of them will be mains level. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and for improving English, just keep reading editorial and don't try to read that much too much in one day. Just try to read so that you can digest which you are reading. Okay, try to learn the vocabs also from the editorial, and one more thing is that try to understand the subject verb agreement which is given in the editorial when you are reading any sentence. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for your time and have a really good day ahead. Thank you.